Bienvenidos a la clase parte B de la unidad 1. En esta clase vamos a estudiar países, nacionalidades, el verbo to be de ser o estar. Vamos a practicar la fórmula afirmativa, la fórmula negativa y también la fórmula de preguntas. También vamos a poner preguntas de sí o no y preguntas abiertas con la palabra de preguntas abiertas de información. Where? ¿Dónde? En este ejercicio vamos a practicar la pronunciación del verbo to be, contractions, la forma cortita y también la forma completa, la forma larga con el verbo to be. She is y también she's, más fluido para la pronunciación. Este es el curso de trabajadores de hotel, así que vamos a practicar con los turistas, los empleados de diferentes países del hotel. También en este parte B vamos a tener un ejercicio de escuchar. Recuerda que tú tienes todas las pistas aquí en la plataforma. Puedes hacer los ejercicios primero si buscas un reto y escuchar las pistas, atacar el ejercicio y luego regresar aquí y hacer el ejercicio junto conmigo en el video. Si quieres tener la clase juntos primero, porque tú eres principiante y muy básico, entonces atacamos los ejercicios juntos y te muestro las respuestas. Así que no dudes en escuchar la pista 2 o 3 veces, en regresarle a la pista y volver a escuchar las respuestas. Así que puedes ver cómo lo hago yo, totalmente en inglés. Si quieres atacar los ejercicios primero para conocerlos y luego atacar la clase, el video en el que ya estás ahorita totalmente en inglés, ese sería una buena prueba o un buen reto. O puedes ver las instrucciones en español y ahorita ya me voy a meter directo totalmente en inglés y te llevo de la mano y lo hacemos juntos. Entonces, vamos a atacar el verbo to be, los países y las nacionalidades con varias habilidades del inglés que tengo aquí. El tema se llama Where are you from? ¿Listos? In today's class, where are you from? Where are you from? In today's class, we'll practice the verb to be, the pronouns, also countries and nationalities. Let's get ready. This is part B of the course English for Hotel Employees. Let's get started. Where are you from? Look at the countries on the map. We got the continents here: North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, continents. Now let's look at some countries. We got United States, Greece, Italy, Japan, Ireland, United States of America, Greece, Japan, Italy. Here's Greece, here's Italy, here's Ireland, here's United States of America, here's Japan. Where are you from? I'm from Ireland. Let's look at the different pronouns. And some employees from the hotel. They're from Ireland. Repeat. They're from Ireland. They are from Ireland. They're from Ireland. She is from the USA. We're from Italy. We're from Italy. I am from Greece. I'm from Greece. I am from Greece. We are from Italy. Repeat, repeat. He's from Japan. He is from Japan. Okay, let's practice. They are from Ireland. They're from Ireland. They are from Ireland. They're from Ireland. She's from the USA. She is from the USA. We are from Italy. We're from Italy. I'm from Greece. I am from Greece. He's from Japan. He's from Japan. These are 5 hotel employees from the Shelbourne Hotel. Where do you think they are from? Where do you think they're from? We have Nymph, Sean, Sita, Akun, and Jimmy. Where are they from? She's from. He's from. We're using these for this exercise. Third person. She's from. And we're also using third person. He's from. Okay. I think Nymph. Number 1, Nymph. I think. Where do you think? Think. I think. Is from. I think Nymph is from I think Nymph is from Australia. Sean, I think Sean is from Ireland. I think Sita is from Ireland. I think Akun is from France. And I think Jimmy is from Ireland. Repeat. Now with the pronouns. I think she is from Australia. I think she's from Australia. I think he's from Ireland. I think she's from Ireland. I think he's from France. And I think he's from Ireland. These are other 5 people from around the world. Taki, Teresa, Anita, Yoshida, and Kelly. Let's look at the countries. We have USA, right here. We have England, Japan, Italy, and Greece. Those are the 5 countries. Okay. Now, where do you think they are from? Where do you think they are from? He and she. He and she. Okay, let's start with Taki. Where do you think Taki is from? Where do you think Taki is from? Where do you think Taki is from? Taki is from... Oh, I think Taki is from Japan. I think Taki is from Japan. Yeah, I think Taki's from Japan. I think he's from Japan. I think he's from Japan. I think Taki is from Japan. Teresa. I think Teresa is from USA. And I think Anita. I think she's from England. I think Anita is from England. Yoshida. I think Yoshida is from Greece. Greece. I think Yoshida is from Greece. And Kelly. I think she's from Italy. I think Kelly's from Italy. What do you think? Where do you think they are from? Let's listen. Listening and pronunciation. You will hear 10 employees introducing themselves. Listen and check your answers. Ready? Let's listen.
Exercise 3.
Z.
1.7.
Hello, my name's Neve. I'm from Ireland.
Nice to meet you, Neve. I'm Akun.
Where are you from, Akun?
I'm from France.
Oh, really? Which part?
The south, near Nice.